Look, I am very sleepy. I just woke up. Forget about this, my heavy eyes. Look, I am very sleepy. I just woke up. I'm still grumpy, but don't bother. Okay, we are going to start the vlog anyhow it is. Today we'll be going to Bridlington beach, and I want to take you along. My kids are so excited about that. I am so excited about that. But before we start going, I want to make fries today. Every time we're going, I have to cook a heavy food. Today I just want to take like fries, and then so I thought to take you along so that we can all go and have fun in the beach.
Was not that my soul for your presence.
This is how much potato I'm using. I realized that the potato my husband bought, they're just very tiny. They're smaller ones. I don't know why. They're usually bigger ones, but I think the season is not for bigger ones, so I will just go with this one. I will cut them into wedges. I don't. We'll be pairing it with this chicken stripes. Yes, it's ready. Actually, I've taken a couple of it out, so I have to film this bit of it. This is the one that I've taken out earlier. Oh, these are the ones I took out earlier. You see, when you add flour to your fries, it doesn't get soggy at all. So that is the fries. I have to hold my camera because I remove it from there. I am now going to just package it and put it inside a flask to stay warm. Sorry, my human beings are here. I will then make some puff. So that is what I'll do. And the next clip you are going to be seeing me is when I'm in the car going, okay, or when I'm there. But I will choose one to do. I thought I cooked my hair. What is this?
Name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find. In His name I find. In His name I find the joy I seek. In Your presence I am free.
Come.
From the chain.
Yeah, no, it's not time for you to go. You don't even know where we are going to. I brought this shoe. This is my home shoe, so that I can play in the water and move. We have our map. There you go. The kids are very excited. So am I. I'm so excited. Oh, stay in one place, please, so I can find you. We don't even know how to holding camera stand. No, you don't. Are you alright? Yeah. He's already eating puff. He's already eating puff, and we've barely even gotten here. Look at it. I am already scared. Oh, the water is deep. My people of God. Let me go and show you something. Watch where you're going. You just bumped into me. Let's go. I will show you how big this beach is. What? My camera stand is too big, so I'm holding it. I'm just trying to put it maybe when we're sitting and all that. At how big this thing is. People are there. Let me be careful. I don't want to record them face. Look at how big. No end. I cannot. Where will you even think of the end? Have you seen the beginning first that you think of end?
This is the water that is going to everywhere. We saw a speedboat here. Yeah. Come on, give me this.
I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul
It's good!
for your presence.
Yes. I should carry you. Okay, let's go. Let's go away. I should. I think we can. Jato gamu. Hello. Jato gamu. Era motivo la ula.
His name I find, in His name I find, in His name
Không qua. Em phải cho đà đi.
I've searched
My glasses are.
many years.
My glasses dealing with me. I was
There
on Friday when we got back from. Today is Sunday. We are back. Actually, this is evening. I don't even know how to start this vlog, to be honest. So we got back from the beach the other day, and I couldn't continue or end the vlog. Today I was just busy trying to edit, and I realized that it's not that much for me to end it there. And yeah, it would not make any sense if I just ended it like that, because it was just it ended just in the beach. One thing with me is that when I go out with my family, I just want to have like enough time with my family. So I don't know how to keep recording places when I'm with my family. I just try to make sure I put a little bit of whatever we went there to do, then we'll just continue. That's why you did not see where we're eating our food, doing that, because that was just a personal time for me and my family. Okay, so I did not put that. We got back from church, and then we had our lunch. We had jollof rice for lunch, and then I rested so much. I was attending Koinonia, and the Koinonia is still going up. Pastor Selma is preaching now because this is past 6. So the US something going on there, and yeah, so that is what I was doing. I wasn't even doing anything here. I just wanted to rest today and take all the rest, and I got a new mic. If you can see, the video is up already. Let me give you update. I'm here for the full gist. We had so much fun in the beach. My kids were so excited. My last baby, it was his first time in the beach. For me, I've been to the beach a lot of times, so it's not like that's the first time, but I had fun because all my family, everybody was there. This is like intimate kind of time. We had a very good time. I mean, it was all good. And that was one of the best days for me, like in this summer. Okay, that was one of the best holidays in this summer. But most of the holidays is like running, but this time around, when we went to the beach, everybody wanted to do something. Reduce the noise for me, please. Everybody wanted to do something, so we all were just, having all the good time, and it was fun. Yes, my love, we brought back some rocks from the beach and just kept it at home to remind ourselves that few years back we went to the beach, and yeah, we kept some rocks at home. And this evening I am making some soup, which is give me the rock, my love. So we pick rocks like this. They are bigger ones, but we pick something like this just to remind us of the beach. I'm just cooking some soup. I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm cooking some soup. We'll be having it with some potato. Let me show you the soup, okay? I didn't on the light, so that is the soup there. It's just some broccoli. Don't make that boy to cry. Play nicely. They're always making my little man to cry. Look at this camera was all along one-sided. I will just clean up now and we'll eat our dinner, and that will be it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video, but until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.
That my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence